India's #1 inverter brand, Microtek, just changed the game with a new tech innovation. And so much more. Introducing the all-new inverter battery with ADC advanced Dura core. Its super alloy and binder additives provide a core active material for high strength and longevity. With key features like fast recharge, super tubular battery, 99.98% pure lead, ultra low maintenance in a sturdy, spill-proof container. So give your inverter its perfect backup with Microtek's new ADC battery.